Hi, welcome to Raise My Marks. I just want to quickly introduce you to the courses that are offered at raisemymarks.com. So for example, if you go to the course option in the menu, the functions or pre-calculus course. So this is more supplementary material or review material or material you can actually use while you're doing your course. And so this functions course, it mainly covers the topics that are offered in the grade 11 math course at the high school level in Ontario or Canada for that matter. And the course codes are given as follows. Now from province to province it may differ, but the basic material is the same. And it's pretty much an introduction to functions. There are some references, but the main topics or course content is given here. So functions, polynomials, trigonometry, sequences and series, applications of sequences and series, and then there's a review. So these are not lectures. I don't reteach anything. I will go through the basic ideas and concepts of those various sections and provide worked examples through videos and practice worksheets for you to work on. So for example, if you look at the function section, you'll find a brief description of what you'll find in this section and then some videos. So usually there's a series of videos and usually there's one video per topic. So there's a topic on functions and then rational functions, graphing, and transformations of functions. So if we click on, say, the functions one, a new page opens up and it's a topic. So it gives now a bit more detail on what we're looking at in this topic and then whatever video is associated with it. And then there's a practice worksheet. So the practice worksheet, you can download it and it gives a brief description of the main elements of that section. And then, so I wouldn't say it's a lecture, but a couple of notes for you to refer to, and then some worked examples, and then some exercises at the end for you to practice on related to the material that's presented in that worksheet. So this is the case for each of these lesson topics. So some are longer than the others. So rational functions actually has quite a bit. Has quite a bit of information. It actually has five topics related to it. So what a rational function is, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, equations, and then a review worksheet, which is great. And then a series of videos for each of those topics. So again, that's what this course consists of. Again, if we go back to the very first page of the course, it outlines, again, the content, a number of topics under each broad section. And then at the end, there is a review. So this is just a review sheet. There's no videos or anything for it because all the videos are provided already or you've already seen. So I'm not going to say it's a test, but it just gives you some idea of what kind of review exercises or exercises you can see for each of those topics. So that's what the courses are like. So that's how they're structured. So again, you come to the website, go to the top menu, you see math courses. Again, course may not be the best term for it because it's not a substitute for your actual math course at school. It's to help you, it's an aid, and it really is more practical where we look at exercises and we work through exercises together, and then more exercise for you to practice because that's really how you're going to understand the material and really make the material your own so that when you go and write a test or a quiz or an exam, you'll be better prepared. So I hope you enjoy the courses and get some benefit out of it. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions or if you have any comments.